So this lesson is writing a quadratic function in the standard form from a graph. So the problem will say the graph of a quadratic function is shown on the grid. Which function is best represented by this graph? The first thing you want to do is pick 3 points. I'm going to go with the one at the top. That's called your vertex. I'm going to go with the -3. That's called your x-intercept. And you can pick any other point, any 3 points on this graph. I'm going to go with this point here. So you can pick any 3 points. So once again, those 3 points was -2, 1, -3, 0, and -4, -3. So those were our 3 points. -2, 1, -3, 0, and -4, -3. That's a 4, -4. So we're going to put all of these in decimals. Let me fix my 4. So you're going to press the plus sign and click table. Those 3 points are going to be added right here. So -2, 1, -3, 0, and -4, -3. Then we're going to write each answer choice's equation and making sure that they touch all 3 green points. So here are our answer choices once again. So we're going to test A. Type in your equation. Y equals -x squared minus 3x minus 4. As you can see, it does not pass through those 3 green dots. So A is not our answer. Let's try B. Erase all of that. Y equals x squared minus 4x minus 3. Once again, it does not pass through those 3 green dots. So B is not our answer. Let's try C. Let's erase all that. -x squared minus 4x minus 3. So we just found our answer because that curve goes through all 3 points. So my answer is C. And we can cross off D.